Hey everyone, it is me, Anthony Jones, and today I have a special unboxing for you guys. And I say this one is special because I got this one sent to me. And this is a really awesome product from a really awesome company called FiFine Technology. They make microphones, and specifically the K670 microphone, which is the one that they sent me here to review and test for you guys. So I'm gonna unbox it, review it, and test it, of course. I'm gonna test at the end of this video, and we'll see how well this microphone compares to my Blue Snowball Ice, which they do say that this is a competitor to the Blue Snowball, which is really interesting, since that's a very budget-friendly microphone that people are used to and used to seeing as a budget microphone that is used commonly. So this will be interesting to see how this microphone compares. This microphone costs actually $42.99, where the Blue Snowball regular costs $49.99. This is used for the same purposes: audio recording, vocals, Skype chats, and anything like that. It's a plug-and-play microphone, exactly the same. It uses a USB cable as well, the same one that the Blue Snowball uses, which is a USB Type B. But anyways, I say we get straight into the unboxing here, which is pretty self-explanatory, pretty nice box as well. It's very sleek looking with the white design. And then as we take off this foam, here we go, guys. This is awesome. This is a very awesome, right here, this is really awesome of a presentation. You don't usually get these types of presentations for microphones or any products. And this is just very nice looking, very professional looking. The foam pads, the white. Here you got your user manual for it, which is a fold out user manual if you wanna see this. And then it also has a back. So this is really cool. Really cool that they have this, and it shows the different specifications for the microphone. Again, this is a Blue Snowball-like microphone. Here's their business card. So it is a cardioid pattern microphone, meaning that you're not going to hear a whole lot from behind it, but more so in front of it. So you want it to be very close up to. It's a really nice business card here with a little "Dear all, thank you for choosing FiFine" little, kind of like how Razer does it, but theirs is much longer, more drawn out, and people usually just throw this away. I guess let's just start taking some stuff out. Here you got your base plate, which is actually very heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. This is super heavy duty, actually. Really heavy duty. A Blue Snowball's mic stand is flimsy and all over the place. This is super duper heavy, and that's not going anywhere actually. It moves a little bit if you put force to it, but I'm moving the table while doing that. So we got our USB cable with a FiFine strap connected to it for wrapping purposes. It's a very protective cable, and very nice cable as well. So I'll definitely be using the FiFine cable. Looks like this is a separate stand for, I'm guessing, this would be for your microphone mounts or boom arms, which is really cool that they include this, because the Blue Snowball doesn't include something like this, and you have to find a specific mount for it, which I'm pretty sure this is the mount for it. I could be wrong, but it looks like here we got just a brass mount that goes to something or other. There's a mount in there, so I'm guessing maybe this is just a converter, so we'll see. I'll probably maybe use this for testing purposes, since I do have a mount like that, but maybe not. Maybe I'll just use the actual stand, which for the actual stand, here's your different mounts, and this is really cool. This is not something that you get with a Blue Snowball microphone. These are basically little conversions, so then you can convert the stand to be whatever height you realistically want it to be. So I can plug in this little one right here, right? And then I can just plug in the microphone there, or I can add in more to the equation. And then soon enough, you can have like a really nice and tall that's squeaky noises. Oh. Sorry about that. But you can make it as tall as you want. That's really, really cool. So that's something a Blue Snowball doesn't really allow. And then right here, we got the one and only microphone itself with its already built-in little stand here that connects to, I don't know. That looks like the same stand. So maybe they give you two just in case, like if you break one. So that's really thoughtful. That's really, really cool that they actually included something like that. That's not something we usually we'll see. So this converter might be for other stands out there and stuff like that. But I don't care really about these right now. Let me set down the microphone. Really cool stuff, really cool stuff. And then yeah, we got the microphone itself right here in all of its glory. As you can see, it's got a built-in controls, something the Blue Snowball again doesn't have. There's a lot of things that this actually has that the Blue Snowball doesn't have, so I'm hoping that the audio quality is just as good. So then you have some advantages with this microphone actually. But you've got this volume dial. You might ask what that is for, but you also can see on the back here, you got a headphone jack, and that's mainly for audio monitoring that the Blue Snowball doesn't have. That's the only thing that you can do on the computer itself, built into the computer, but that's not something that you can do on the actual microphone itself. I'm trying to see how you, okay, I see how you tighten this now. You just kind of like loosen it up. Yeah, let me tighten it up so you can get it on the stand. So I'm tightening it by unscrewing, like this was unscrewed for instance, and then it moves freely, and then once you get into the place you want it, you can kind of like tighten it. And it tightens really nicely. And then what you do is you can then put it on the stand and then rotate it on. There's that annoying sound again. The microphone is really cool in the specs range, where it's got a smooth flat frequency of 50 hertz to 15 hertz, which is really cool. This USB cable, they give you some examples in length. This is about, we're a little bit above 6 feet, which is really cool. I can't remember what this mesh is actually called, but it's the same type of mesh that you see on a Blue Snowball. It's very comparable to that. So we've got the microphone here, and this is really cool. Really awesome. Like you can angle it as well to like your mouth and then talk into it, which is really cool. I don't know what else to really say. The presentation of it is really nice. It looks so professional. The Blue Snowball, that looks like something like it. People know it's a professional microphone, but it looks something more like a toy. Where it being round and so different from a regular microphone. Where this, you're getting the presentation that you're using something that's a professional like device, which is really cool. Like that's really awesome. And then if you're wondering how would I know if this is turned on or not, since the Blue Snowball has that red LED indicator that it usually has when it's powered on. This does have an indicator, it's built inside to it. It's a blue LED light that you will see on the front. So this is really cool. I'm really liking this. So yeah, this is really like, I don't know what else to say. This is a really awesome looking microphone. Really like the presentation, again, amazing. Nothing that you'll see a whole lot of with microphones of this price range. So anyways, I say let's quit with the whole mumbo jumbo on specs, specifications, and the look of it. You guys are probably here to you're here to hear what the microphone sounds like. So of course I'll test this and put it up to the test against the Blue Snowball Ice, which is the microphone I use. I'll use it without a pop filter, with a pop filter, and just give it all the testing that it deserves. So I say let's get right into that. Alright, so I'm upstairs in the game room and I've got my new FiFine microphone set up, and now I'm here just testing it out, giving you guys a little bit of like a test on how it sounds. And I guess here's the test. I'm just going to talk into the microphone a bit. I don't have the pop filter on it right now, so you might hear some pops, and I'll give you some pop, 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 pop. So then maybe you can, maybe hear the difference between it and a pop filter in that sense. But let's, I guess, switch over to the next test. Alright, so now I have the Blue Snowball Ice microphone all set up, and right here without the pop filter on it. So you might be getting some pop noises from the microphone, because these microphones will take in pop noises a lot. So pop, pop, pop. You can probably get a good idea on my voice and the quality of the microphone with me speaking into it. So I guess let's go into the next test. Alright, so here's me talking into my Blue Snowball with the pop filter on it, and here's an up close test. Here's a little bit of way of a test, and stuff like that. I'm just gonna talk into the mic, give you some different sounds with it, give you some pops because I got the pop filter on it. So pop, 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 poppity pop, 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 and I think that's good. So now I got the FiFine microphone with the pop filter on it, so hopefully all that annoying pop noises will go away. We'll have to see after the testing. So give you some pops here, pop, pop, pop. You can get the kind of like the idea of the sound quality right now, where it's at with me talking into it, hopefully. But yeah, pop, 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 pop. So let's just hope that everything will sound all good. Well, I have to say that I was very surprised. I thought that there might be somewhat of a difference between both of the two, but to be honest with you, I couldn't really find like that much of a difference. I feel like the Blue Snowball may be a little bit harsher, or might pick up a little bit more audio than the FiFine microphone, which makes this one better for maybe like close-up audio, since close-up you want the people to hear only your voice and nothing around you. And sometimes with the Blue Snowball I heard some sharpness to it, where this is a tad bit smoother. But I gotta say, they're really close to each other, especially when you listen through speakers. Like I will listen through both speakers and headphones, and headphones you can hear a difference, but the speakers, I mean, it sounds very, very nice through speakers. So I mean, I don't know what else to say. Great microphone. I mean, compared to my Blue Snowball Ice edition, it's amazing. It's just the same, if not maybe a tad bit on the smoother side, which I slightly like. I don't know what I'm going to be using for now on, but I'm going to have to do some testing and seeing about maybe even switching from the Blue Snowball Ice to this microphone for my live streams and all my recordings of gameplays. So we'll have to see though. I'll do some more further testing like I said, but so far, I mean, this is a really, really good microphone. I think FiFine did a really good job. I'm glad that they were able to send this product to me for testing and review. And I gotta say, this is a really, really nice microphone. And if you need a budget microphone that just plug and play for streaming, gameplays, all that, this is the one to go with. I mean, it's a Blue Snowball, Blue Snowball Ice, really cheap options that are really, really good. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. Super appreciate it, and it gives you notifications as well when I'm streaming and also uploading new videos. If you also want to make sure that you see those notifications, you can also click the bell to make sure that you get every single notification of mine. So thank you guys again for watching, and we'll see you with more reviews, gameplays, and just videos in general in the future.